The family of Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB). They don dey accuse Southeast governors of preventing the release of the pro-Biafra agitator. They said na the Southeast governors na dey fight against the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Na dem be the barricade, na dem be like the Goliath in the life of Nnamdi Kanu. No be small matter, my good people. Nnamdi Kanu brother wey dey go by the name Prince Emmanuel don dey yarn say Southeast governors dey supposed to learn from other zone wey dey work for their freedom fighters. For inside one statement wey Oga Emmanuel sign, he con dey accuse Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court Abuja of being an obstacle to the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. No be small matter, my good people. If you ask me, I go tell you say all these accuse e heavy, no be choice. As he don point hand give Southeast governors, still come point hand give Justice Binta Nyako. We pray make e no backfire. If this man now just para say they wan kukuma take am against the man, I hope say he don ready himself. Now, according to the statements wey Prince Emmanuel write, he con dey yarn say Southeast governors say why they dey stop the freedom of their own son Kanu. To what benefit wey e go give them from keeping their son perpetually incarcerated? What is the benefit? Wetin they wan gain? Why can't the Southeast governors take a cue, make dem learn from other zone wey dey collectively work for the freedom of their freedom fighters? Southeast governors now, what are they afraid of? Wetin dey fear? Why they never begin dey work for their freedom fighters? Why they never dey hustle, dey do the work, make their freedom fighter for comot for the hands of the federal government? Governor Hope Uzodinma say na him be the chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum, and by extension, the political rallying point of the Southeast political leaders. Therefore, wetin dey stop him wey be Hope Uzodinma from showing leadership and leading from the front to go release their brother wey be Nnamdi Kanu wey dey for the hands of the federal government? And he consider yarn say their candid view on the 24th of September court proceedings is that both Justice Binta Nyako and Mogaji Bichi dey act as obstacles, not only undermining Nigeria with their rigid stances, but also creating significant embarrassment for the current administration wey inherit these issues. And those people now wey dey oppose the release of Nnamdi Kanu, they are inadvertently suggesting to the international community say this administration is ineffective. All this one, my good people, they come from the brother of Nnamdi Kanu. They go by the name Prince Emmanuel. So how you see the matter, my good people? If you ask me, I go tell you say the family of Nnamdi Kanu, they don't too try Kanu. Like this now, they no get joy, they dey para. Say that person did the detention of the Department of State Services for more than 4 years, and the federal government are not doing anything. Now, Nnamdi Kanu brother don't point and give the Southeast governors, say they didn't do anything. Instead, that them be the obstacle. And if you touch this matter properly, my good people, you go say, true, something fishy is going on here, because a court of competent jurisdiction don't give judgment. Say this Nnamdi case no be case at all. In Kukuma grant Nnamdi Kanu bail, make the man go free. But no, they still challenge the court order, can't carry the matter, can't go trial court. Now Nnamdi Kanu don dey battle for since. We be saying don't Kukuma verse tell the judge, maybe Justice Binta Nyako, say make him wash hand, come up for the matter. Say he no like the way the woman take dey handle the case. Make the woman step down, make him know a way forward. But this one way Nnamdi Kanu brother don't come point and give the Southeast governors. There was a time where Southeast governors, they arrange, they go meet the federal government, they go meet President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They plead for the release, for the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. Is it that the brother of Nnamdi Kanu no hear the report, he no get the update at which level? Abi is it that the plea, as in the beg where they go beg the federal government, na audio? But on the other hand, my good people, if to say the federal government now, this kind of energy where the channel puts for this case of Nnamdi Kanu, if to say they channel and put for other things, other pressing issues, this our country Nigeria, if we don't better. Now there are so many politicians who don't steal billions of naira and they're still working free for inside this our country Nigeria. Unknown gunmen and bandits full everywhere for our country, especially the northern region. The federal government never erase them come up for Nigeria. They never go do anything about the matter. farmers dey fear to go farm because of insecurity. The federal government never channel better energy to eradicate insecurity, to eradicate bandits, to eradicate unknown gunmen, so that those jaguda people no go dey do their jaguda business for inside the country Nigeria. They just carry their energy decide say this man wey be Nnamdi Kanu, make we use you as scapegoat. And normally those kind levels e no make sense. And in another news, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don charge the armed forces to engage the nation's adversaries with more military gallantry and sophistication. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey give this charge on Saturday for inside Kaduna at the combined passing out parade of the 71 regular corps, Army, Navy and Air Force. Our president, who was represented by Dr. Tajuddin Abbas, wey be the Speaker of the House of Representatives, he con dey charge the members of the armed forces so make dem remain focused in their operations. As we be the giants of Africa, we must remain the giants of Africa. According to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was represented by Dr. Tajuddin Abbas, elite militaries dey remain professional in democratic dispensations, and this now dey come with the belief that the individuals wey dey charged with the nation's leadership, they go do their job. And they can still proceed further. Dey yarn say our green white green country wey be Nigeria, we are being faced with multiple challenges, ogbonge challenges wey don attempt to destroy the nationhood. But as a government, we dey work hard to confront all these problems wey dey include associated ones, to make our beloved nation more secure and improve the quality of life of the Nigerian citizens. No be small matter, my good people. Like this now, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don drop prep talk give the military, and he don give them charge. Say our country Nigeria na the giants of Africa, and make them make sure say our country Nigeria continue to be the giants of Africa. And let the military be very much aware that wherever and whenever the nation call them, they will turn up. This my good people, now the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you share the news to your family and friends, so that them too, they go know wetin dey happen for inside the nation Nigeria. I dey come inside the game with another legit informate for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.